Bitch, I'm from Texas, you know we be bucking. Yeah, walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my hair. It is Sunday. It is a chill day, so I am relaxing, chilling. As you can see, I'm by myself. The kids are doing their own thing. I told y'all they don't like me like that, so whatever. Anyways, Sunday's dinner is ready, so I'm gonna show you guys what we have. Got a baked potato. My first time making lobster tails. Yes, I made it myself. We got some asparagus, some shrimp, my own sauce that I made. I follow the B-Loves recipe, but I, make it to my own liking. I got my water with lemon, and then I got a specialty drink over here by yours truly. So, guess you can call this a little mukbang, however you say the word. So I'm just gonna dig in. And what are you guys doing today? What's on y'all's agenda? What's the weather like? It's hot here in Texas, so stay in the house. Plus, Corona ain't letting up, so stay in the house. Let me say my grace, and then I'm gonna dig in. Okay, amen. Let's eat. What y'all cook today? I'm over here experimenting on stuff, so we're gonna see what it's all about. That's good. Dig into this good old lobster here. Y'all, this thing was some work to get to cooking. Y'all be cooking your own lobster, y'all be buying them? Me, I like to see if I can make it instead of spending my good old money. Cause seafood is high. That sauce is good. Y'all, funny thing, I use it on my oldest daughter about smacking. So my mama watches my YouTube channel, and I'm trying to think, what was that I did? What video was that? That hot Cheetos chicken. She called me. I don't want to hear you fuss at that girl. Not now, another time. You was smacking in this video. I said, that's what the people like to hear. I like to hear you go. Good. You was just a smacking. Smack, smack, smacking. You be fussing at her. But growing up, she had no room to talk because she used to get on to me all the time. Smacking. Smacking. Chew with your mouth closed. So, it's my kid's turn to get fussed at. Duh. Yeah, she gonna give me when she see this video. I could just hear her now. She gonna call me a heifer and everything. Still love her though. It is delicious. I ain't tried my lobster yet. But this shrimp. Oh, y'all, look in the background. Do y'all see that person walking? That is Tatiana. She look a hard mess.
It's only because I have on a headband and this on because my hair is not done.
Baby.
Oh, Mama, let me show you.
Ghetto fabulous at its finest.
When it's time to get my hair done.
Oh my God. See y'all? Y'all remember that Drive With Me video? When she say, she be asking for stuff. Here she go. When it's time to get my hair done.
Can I get one of these? It's just some box braids. And another one is not box braids.
I did that with this lobster, y'all. That's good.
Thank
We'll see.
Okay.
I heard did you? I need a what they call that? Automatically Tati's money. That's my new name.
What's that? What does that mean?
ATM. Automatically Tati's money.
I would ask Daddy, but
I'm recording a video. Don't go there.
So, what do I put in my potato?
What do you want in your potato?
I don't know.
You got the cheese. I know you don't want no sour cream. You just add cheese and that's it. Unless you want the bacon bits. Y'all like asparagus? I'm so rude, y'all. Look. Want a bite? Want some of this potato? It's cheese, sour cream, bacon bit, and butter. Want some? Have a bite. It's good though.
So how do I pick up a piece of this lobster?
Get that small piece. Just pick it up.
This?
Yeah.
Why is it cold?
Oh, because it's been sitting there for a minute. Just pick the whole thing up, crazy. Put it on your plate. You just eat the top part. Got to introduce my kids to new stuff, so you know they'll know what's out there. And if it don't taste like mama's, it ain't right. Purr, poo. Now my little one, yeah, she ain't try nothing. Oh, you got some asparagus. I see it over there.
Yeah.
So by the time y'all see this video, my new intro should be completed. Baby, I've been working on that thing for 2 days now. So, since y'all seen it, leave a comment down below. What you think about my new intro? I think it's great. It's wonderful. I had to change it because I was looking at somebody else's video and they were saying something about if you use other people's songs in your intro, that there's a possibility that you might not get monetized or whatever for that video. Oh, excuse me. I had to make room for some more, y'all, because I'm getting full. But yeah, so I was like, let me take this song out of here and let me find something else so I can get monetized. I need to get paid for all this hard work. Hear it. You hear me? Y'all hear this child asking for stuff? I need that money. Please.
Oh,
Don't come this way.
I'm not.
She done pulled out another tooth, y'all. Lord. She ain't gonna have no teeth left after a while.
Shush.
Y'all see her in the background? That's reaction number 2. You got all your nakedness on the camera? I have to find me a blooper now. It's a blooper app.
What does that even mean?
Huh?
What does that even mean?
You know, like them little blurry lines and stuff.
Oh, like things that cover stuff, like faces and stuff?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I ain't got nothing to talk about nobody here. Look at this.
Yeah.
Y'all heard that? And she want me to get her hair done. How they suddenly forget. Okay, guys. This video is long enough. I ain't talking about nothing. Y'all ain't talking about nothing. All right, let me take a drip. Oops. Bloopers. All right, so that's the end of this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Walk like this.